Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can delete keyboard history on Android. For example, this is on my Android mobile, and when I want to text someone or I use keyboard, which is currently Gboard on my mobile, and many of the Android mobiles coming now are coming with the Gboard as the pre-installed default app. So this gboard saves few texts as the history or the saved words or the suggestions. Means this will save the words which I use commonly use in a conversation using this gboard. So if you want to delete all this history, you can do that. To do that, first of all, open gboard settings. The shortcut is press and hold on here, and you can move your finger without raising it to this gear icon, and now leave it. So this will open Google board settings, and here you'll find privacy. Under privacy, you need to scroll to bottom and click on delete words, and you need to enter this passcode, means the code to confirm, and you need to click on OK, so that delete learned words and data. So you're cleared the history of that keyboard which you are presently using. Okay, if you're using Swift keyboard, Microsoft Swift keyboard or something like that, you can clear the cache of that so that the history or the data which is saved will be deleted. For example, I have also installed this Microsoft, see here, Microsoft Swift keyboard. So what I need to do is I need to press and hold on this, and I need to click on app info, and then storage usage, and I can clear the cache, and I can clear the data, all the saved words or something, like if there is anything in that keyboard also will get deleted. So if it is not something like gboard or even Swift keyboard, you can go to apps installed on your mobile, app management, and click on show system, so that the system apps also will be shown. And here you will find this Android keyboard or Google keyboard. For me, the default itself is Gboard, so you can search for the keyboard or something like that. See here, if there is any keyboard on your mobile, here it will be shown up to you, and all that you need to do is you need to open that keyboard and click on storage and click on clear data. For me in this mobile, Gboard is the default keyboard. So for gboard, I can clear cache and clear data. In this way you can clear completely the total history of keyboard on your mobile. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.